to be given to us by Mr. John Salvador.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. All right. I won't be taking much of your time, kasi ako excited na rin mapanood yung game ninyo. Just a quick one. Itong ginagawa natin ngayon will be something different, It will be history sa A-League, You will be watched all over the world. Tama ba ako, JNN? Ayan, makapanood kayo. So, alright? Okay. Ang inspiration ko is because I've been playing sa A-League for many years and, I think A-League deserves something bigger. Ito ang start. And I will eventually pass it to that guy behind you guys. Eldridge Ragas. Next year, something else will happen. I think it will be better than this. So, mag-ingat po tayo. Batch 93, mga manoy, mga kakawat ko. Batch 90 ba? Okay? Playing with sportsmanship. Keep the values. Give them a very trailing game, no problem. At the end of the day, we will be brothers. Alright? Thank you!
And now, let us have host...
Mga manoy, maray na aga. Kami yung batch 2000, so kami yung host for this year. So good luck sa game. I won't take much of your time either. So early yan kasi December 13, we'll have a lot of food, drinks, overflowing drinks, and mga banda. Okay, so December 13, early yan. Good luck sa game. Thank you.